Okay, guys, we're going to do little Smokies tonight. I've got Carolina Pride little Smokies. Normally I get Brian's down here, but they had these on sale, 2 for $6, so that's what we got. I got 2 packs of them, as you can see. And then, a lot of times people use barbecue, and barbecue's good on them, guys. But we like chili sauce and grape jelly. Now I put 1.5 of grape jelly to 1 of chili sauce. But you can do that however your taste is, what you like when you get it mixed up. But I've got my, I normally do it in a crock pot. Set it up, put it on, leave it 4 hours, and you're ready to eat. But since I ain't been feeling that great, I didn't get in here and do it. So all I'm doing is heating these up. And I'm going to go ahead and pour my sauce over them. I've got 1.5 cups of grape jelly and then 1 cup of chili sauce. And we're just going to get that good and melted. And then I'm going to put it in my crock pot. And I'm headed to Sonny's right next door. And we're going to watch Trey play tonight. Not feeling good. I ain't been doing much of nothing. Sonny had actually wanted to go see him play because, I mean, he literally is like, almost like an adopted son. I mean, we used to pick him up from school every day when we picked Bo and Blue up and took him home and all that kind of stuff. And now we don't get to, we don't get to see him. They moved to a town, Thomasville, which is an hour away from us, so we don't get to see him that much. So, anyhow, I'm going to heat these up. Now, you can cover them completely with your stuff, but that's just a waste. You don't have to cover them completely. Like, see, these are, if you have them in your crock pot and you just keep them stirred, they're going to get all in the yumminess, and it's so good. I'm telling you, this grape jelly and chili sauce. So, some of y'all have probably used it. But those of you hadn't, this is something you might want to try. And like I said, I do mine. Like I had 1.5 cups of grape jelly and just 1 cup of the chili sauce. Now, if you had like a whole crock pot full, or a pretty good size amount, say like for a party, or like if a lot of people's coming over to watch the Super Bowl or whatever, then you could use like a whole jar of this, maybe even 2 jars of this, and then a whole thing of grape jelly, or 2 whole things of grape jelly. Just base it. I just measure mine 1.5 to, let's see, that's 12 ounces, and that's 30, so it's not quite 1.5 for this size, but this is a little bigger jar of grape jelly. If you use your 12-ounce jar of chili sauce, then have you one, that's around 24-ish, or no, about 18 of grape jelly. But it is so good, guys. So good. But you just get them hot, because these are brown and serve. I mean, not brown and serve, heat and serve. Literally, just see, heat and serve. So, I mean, all you really got to do is get them hot, and they're ready to eat. And as long as your jelly and your chili sauce is all married together, I mean, you're ready to eat quick. So if you forget to put it in your crock pot, start it getting in a regular cook pot, make sure you melt your grape jelly, and then just pour it in a crock pot and take it wherever it is you want to go. You don't have to, you don't have to remember to do it early. I didn't really know that we were even going to be able to find Trey's game on TV, because it's on public broadcast, but Sonny looked on hers this afternoon and she could download it, so we're going to watch him. I'm excited to watch him. He's a good football player. So anyhow, that's it for tonight, guys. I'm not going to taste it yet because it's not hot yet, but it's good. Just take my word for it. It's good. All right. I love you, and I'm getting to feel better every day, guys. So maybe my throat will quit hurting completely, and I can get back to doing. But tomorrow, our plan is to put together our float and to possibly paint Sonny's chairs, or either maybe recover the seats. I'm not sure what she's got up in her plans. She wants her couch painted, so y'all be watching for that, because that's going to be fun. That's going to be fun. I have painted like seat covers, but I've never like painted a whole piece of furniture, so that's going to be fun. So anyhow, I love you, and y'all go have a good night, okay? Bye, guys.